this gift that was left to us of this incredible structure, pay attention.
This is the place that makes a difference.
The friendships were strong, really, really strong, and you learn a lot about character.
Time has taken its toll. My walls are crumbling.
The alumni have always risen to the challenge that was laid out before them.
And the kitchen itself has always been a problem. It's too small and badly outdated.
The exterior stone is crumbling.
We all know how important the Goat House is for its ceremonial purposes, and for the last several years it's been condemned.
Will you stand as one?
So we're making an historic commitment to raising $6 million.
We can turn back time. We can bring back grandeur.
I believe in what Alpha Delta stands for. I want to make sure that it's there for students in the future, and count me in, because I believe that Alpha Delta Phi is core to the identity of the person that I am today.